URUS launch is better. Sorry.
Okay guys, so if you guys ready to see my new car, it's a one-of-a-kind crazy car. It's the fastest SUV ever made. This is the actual vehicle I was getting, and I got it. So this is the craziest, fastest SUV, faster than the URUS, BMW, and the Ferrari. So this is one of a kind. Right away I got the car, I changed my wheels to 24-inch Veloz wheels. Let me show it to you. So it's a crazy two-tone. This is the only thing I need, spacers, and that's it. So let me show you inside. The only thing on this car I hate, inside is beautiful. The only thing I hate, Porsche, they changed the shifter. This is the worst thing they ever done to this car. The shifter should be here. So they just changed the shifter to here. So this is the worst thing they ever done. This is nice. You know, cluster, everything is beautiful. And the good thing, I bought this car, the salesperson, they sent me a gift. See, gift from them. Yeah, they sent me a cigar. Thank you guys for the cigars. I appreciate it.
We are driving Sarkis's new Porsche Cayenne Coupe Turbo GT. I don't know what's the difference between a Cayenne and a Cayenne Coupe, but as you can see, we're inside the car. There's a brand new car, model, everything, whatever. Got the red interior with carbon, and then the outside is white. So he's trying to be like my URUS, obviously, as you can tell. But this is supposedly the fastest SUV that you could buy right now. So I'm trying to learn it. There's Sport Plus, and then you press this drive mode button over here, and it does like the sport response mode, and it counts down. I don't know what this is, but I mean it has power for sure. So I think the sport response, when you don't have that on, it's a little laggy. Actually, really laggy. The URUS doesn't have much lag, I've realized, compared to this. But this car, you know, when the power comes on, I can definitely feel it. It feels more like a tuned URUS, I would say. Stock URUS versus this is winning. Rear is the best part about this car. It looks pretty nice. The problem with Porsche is all their cars kind of look the same. So this looks like a lot of the other Porsche SUVs. You wouldn't really tell the difference that much, but that's the thing. This is like a $250,000 car. It's incredible. It's the price is just incredible, and the fact that Sarkis is paying for this car, knowing what I pay him, it's he really must love this car. So yeah, I don't know if you guys like this car. Let me know. I haven't seen much about it. It's not like a super popular car. We have no gas because Sarkis waits until the very last minute to put gas, so I'm scared to even get on it. But I'm gonna try to do like a really small pull on one of these safer streets, and I'm gonna have to press sport response, I guess. I don't know if I'm doing it right or wrong, so don't hate me for that, but sport response is on, and downshifted by itself, and let's try to get on it. I mean, it's pretty quick, but I think my ears is faster. So yeah, and its sound is not great either, to be honest. The sound is lacking. I'm sure you could do an exhaust on this and a tune, and it's crazy. But then again, the hybrid SE URUS is coming out, and that's gonna be a monster. But also, Sarkis found some wheels at the shop, and he threw them on the car. So now he has some silver black wheels on it, 24s. We told him to leave his stocks, but he didn't listen. So let us know your thoughts. The worst comment is going to get a follow by me. All right, guys, so we did a giveaway post on YouTube 2 videos ago on the SF90 video, and we got a lot of comments, over 300 comments. We said whoever's gonna be the first person to guess exact model of what Sarkis got is gonna win a bunch of RDB stuff. So we went back to the newest, and we went down. Somebody guessed the right car after about like 5-6 comments, so pretty quick guess. Somebody did guess Cayenne Coupe GT, but it's not the right model and has to be exact. So sorry that you did not win, buddy. But we go up a little more, and we get this guy, Mavi WQ9079. He said Cayenne Turbo GT. So there you have it, the Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. So Mavi, if you're watching this, please get in touch with us somehow. DM him, DM me, YouTube, whatever you want, info@rdbla.com, email us, whatever. Get us your information so we get you this giveaway. But yeah, I hope you guys like his Cayenne Turbo GT.
You remember that tree used to cut out his mom?
What?
5 seconds.
What?
Joe Lopez, you know, the comedian?
Oh yeah, George
He used to
Lopez.
cut out his mom.
You kind of look like George Lopez.
He's really good. You remember? You remember? Oh wow, Bobby, it's going away. Let me see.
I don't think you should be concerned about his. He's saying that you guys look like that.
Yeah,
The Three Stooges.
yeah, we are.
Which one are you?
I don't know. The fat one? No, he's the fat one. No, this is. Oh, hold on.
Moses. Look what he's saying you look like.
You, Hobo, and
Yeah.
The Three Stooges.
Yeah. It's close, yeah, not bad.
You guys are the dream team.
That was the best. Three Stooges. It was the best, yeah.
that's the new movie.
You seen it?
Yeah.
You liked it? Did they pay you for your role?
Guys, we are in Luis's Bay right here.
You cannot hit me big. Come on.
He abuses me at the shop, and then he acts like I abused him. So
Don't say that you try to hit me right now. And you,
okay,
Jesus
and
Christ.
Gabe was here. Who hit who right now?
he hit me right.
He flicked my nipple. If you guys want to know the truth, he flicked my nipple, and I was gonna hit him, but I didn't. So
Yeah,
don't
because
lie. I have
because
cameras right here. So
Because I pray and say, please, God. do
all right,
it."
man. Can you do your job?
I need to change the hood.
Oh my God, he had a hood too. This is
I
a
have a cut.
massive Rolls-Royce Cullinan project right here. It's been kind of a headache, this one. We had to fix a lot of stuff. This is the one where the fender was like this, pretty much. Fixed all that. He's gonna change the hood right now because there's a forged carbon hood that's going on this. The wheels, it came like that. He has other wheels for it, but this car is all the way from Minnesota. So he's gonna go back there, and then he has some wheels for it. This is gonna be wide body too, but as you can see, this fender right here, it has the vent, still needs to be buffed. But we're gonna put the flares, we're gonna put the bumper, the rear bumper's on with the exhaust tips. So a lot more to go on this car,
Yeah,
but we gotta
a lot
finish
of-
it by next week.
A lot of parts need paint.
So they gotta paint it fast because we need to finish this car.
So I you need to talk to the painter.
Can talk to the painter, please? And then
if I
instead
talk
of
to the
working on
painter-
motorcycles, please finish the Rolls-Royce.
I don't do nothing in the motorcycle. It's stop. Nothing. No
And
problem.
we also happen to have a URUS wide body bumper here. So yeah, this shop
Hey, I
is.
have a lot of parts, man, all over.
I see it. I see it.
This, for that, and also for that one.
But yeah, anyways, we got a lot more work to do, so let's get to it.
Push.
Push
Push down right there.
down. Is it gonna fit?
Push.
Nice.
Like this.
And then there you have the roof spoiler. That's kind of cool. I like that. So
I have this one too.
oh, you have the trunk spoiler. We have the rear bumper on.
Carbon fiber.
All right, it's gonna be a good one when we're done. We still haven't seen, you know, how fast the Revuelto is in real life, and now we get to see it in comparison to a car that we know very well, the beautiful SF90. So let's go ahead and start up the video. So as they're lined up. That's the owner of both cars. But SF90, the Revuelto pulls ahead a little bit, and then the SF90 gains on it. But it was like half a car length at the end, I believe, that they finish here.
Wow.
Yeah, SF90 gets it a little bit, and they both beat the 918. So the customer really wants the Revuelto to win over his SF90, so he's a little disappointed here. And he wants to change places so they could do it again. And then on the next race, the Revuelto loses a little worse. So overall, the SF90 in real life seems to be a tad bit quicker than the Revuelto.
Video, thumbs up. See you next time. Órale.